Hello NHS students! I am going to show you how to log your hours. Here is an NHS service hour log sheet. So we have the volunteer hours criteria. You need 8 hours each semester, total of 16 for year. Max of 4 can be from previous summer. Minimum of 4 must be from NHS sponsored events. NHS sponsored events are considered inside NHS hours. If it is an outside NHS hour, it is not from our list of NHS sponsored events. To submit form, print out and get signed by an adult at the event. Sign in at the event if there is a sign-in sheet. Sign in only for verification of attendance. Submit paper forms to box on Ms. Snyder's desk. I recommend that you print out a bunch of log sheets and store them in a spot somewhere where they will not get lost. You will find the link to the log sheet on our RMHS website. This is so that you will always have one available before you go to the place of service. Do not forget to bring it with you. Now to fill out the form, NHS student name, you would write your name right here on the line. ID number, your Rolling Meadows High School ID number. Right here you would circle if you are a junior or a senior. Community service worksite, write down the name of the place. Say if you were volunteering at Westgate School's Fun Fair, you would write down Westgate School. Date of service, just like this, 8/31/18. For description of service provided, you just write down what you did at the place of work, such as I worked at the concession stand handling the money. Here you can either put a check mark or circle if this was an NHS inside hour or an outside hour. It does not matter as long as it is clear which category you are logging this under. So right here I circled NHS hours. Write down the total number of hours you served. If it was 1.5 hours, you would write 1.5. If it was 2 hours, you would just write a 2. Sign your name under student signature. The adult supervisor signature needs to be from the leader of the event. When your shift or the night is over, find the adult in charge of the event. If you cannot find him or her, ask the other adults working around. He or she will fill out their phone or email right here as well. Now that is it. Once the entire sheet is filled out, it is ready to be turned into Ms. Snyder's desk, which is in the math science teacher's desk area in the upstairs C wing. If for some reason your hours are incorrect, you will be contacted by Ms. Snyder to fix them. If you have any questions about logging hours, please ask one of the board members or speak to Ms. Snyder.